uncover my true heart. There where my verse would be known if it could be. But for true joy my knowledge fails me. So I fear I cannot succeed in my art. A new joy in which I have my hope wants my song to be directed straight to her. And since it pleases her that I advance her praise, am I singing from which I have joy and dread? For her worth wants too wise a praiser. So I don't think I could describe her courteous worth that stands so high, that one speaks no truth that doesn't seem a lie. And I find so much good in her to write that sufficiency makes me too abundant. So I hold back, for my hope doesn't tell me that anyone could recount her value for a good worth. She has chosen the best, and of lovers the truest heart in you. For I never told her, so I fear to fail. How my desire is turned toward her, but fear won't take this from me anymore. For I know that fire burns brighter under veil. And the God of love has wounded me with such a lance that resting or lying down does me no good. Instead I abandon for the lady I adore, one who has done me great good and great honor. But one should change, good for better, I'm sure. But I have nothing of her but desire. Don't I have enough? Great is my power. If even so much is given me as leisure, so why should I wish to be bolder still? For her lovely laugh with her joyful face feeds my eyes, I so enjoy the sight. But one comfort drives me to folly's place. It always seems to me she wants to give me her love. When she turns toward me, her eyes full of sweetness above. Since I can no longer bear the pain I suffer for you mornings and nights, have mercy on me, for in this world there's no treasure that without you could make me rich in right. And because I don't see you often, I have great fear that indifference might make you forget me here. But I who feel the pain and the sorrow do not forget you at all. Instead I keep night and day the eyes of my heart, so that I turn them no other way.